I spent 72 hours in the new Z, daily driving it, and we're gonna tell you all about it. All right, so drove this car. Quit looking at my notes.
I can't see that far. Honestly, I can't see that far.
All right, so I drove the car for 3 days.
Straight. Yep.
It got traded in. The customer who traded it in bought the Nismo Z. So we got a black Z, first black one we've seen, with 3,200 miles on it. Car's
brand new.
Practically new. It's been broken in a little bit. It's ready to go. It's ready to drive, spirited. First day I had it, I had to go pick up groceries.
Okay.
It was a terrible day, but I was like, this is perfect. So I went to Target and filled the hatch with all the groceries.
How many bags is that?
A lot.
A lot.
I did not count them. A lot is a technical term.
It's technical, but not specific. I like that.
Yeah, yeah. So I got to drive it every morning to work. It's fantastic.
Did you go through the drive-thru at Starbucks?
I did not. I did not.
Just straight from your house to work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, every day. Every day. Now, I think, I get this opinion out because my thought is this a good daily driver? Would it be a good daily driver for someone? And I think that depends on your life factors. It could be if you've got another car to load your family in, you can drive that every day. But I would say for most people, the enthusiasts out there, this is gonna be a weekend car.
Really?
Hop in it and go. Okay. But you could daily it. I would daily it.
Yeah.
But my my situation,
circumstances.
Yeah, my circumstances are a little different. It doesn't have enough seats.
Right.
Yeah, but it's a lot of fun to drive. It drives, handles, fantastic. Fantastic.
Like a new car.
Yeah. It has a very responsive suspension.
Is it visceral?
I would say it's visceral. That's Tom's favorite word, you guys.
At least my least
He
favorite
throws
word.
that around. But yeah, and 400 horsepower, it's no joke. That car wants to go.
What's the torque specs on that?
I think it's 400. It's right there.
400?
It's right there at it. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I didn't look that up. So yeah. So I was telling you yesterday that they certified this car.
It's certifiable?
It's certifiable. So they certified it, and if you guys don't know what Nissan Certified Pre-Owned is basically it goes through a rigorous 167-point inspection. I've got the 2 full sheets here of what's what, and of course this thing checked out perfect on everything. The car's been really well taken care of. Nissan also has a Carfax guarantee. They do all the recalls for you if there are any. They look at the service history. 1 year prepaid maintenance, 90-day XM subscription trial, and you get the special financing options like you would if you're buying a new car.
Oh, cool.
So pretty nice. So if you're interested in a new Z, you want to buy a new Z, we got a new Z, a black one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now here you can see our shop foreman Adrian pulling the Z into the shop. And one of the things we did wasn't absolutely necessary, but we went ahead and replaced the engine air filters. The RZ34 has 2. We do keep these in stock, so when you get to the point of maintaining your Z, be sure to hit us up and we'll get you taken care of. Here's some looks at the parts as well, so you can see what they look like. The air filter is kind of interesting. It's got a piece of some sort of like mesh media that's kind of glued onto the back of the filter. If anybody knows or has seen that before, tell us. And he's going to hop in the car and replace the in-cabin air filter. So whoever buys this car is getting a brand new car that's really been taken care of, and the wear parts have been replaced even though they really didn't need to. So let's talk about these calipers on the table.
Yes. The front ones are beasts.
Yeah.
They probably use these on a Japanese school bus. They're that big.
Yeah. I mean, the rear ones are like the typical size you would see on the front of most cars.
Yeah, I mean, you look at that and you're thinking, okay, yeah, fine. But you see this.
Yeah. That's
4 pistons, and it's massive. I don't know what to tell you about it other than it's huge.
yeah. These are the Nismo, the calipers that come on the Nismo. So the Nismo version Z has upgraded brakes, bigger rotors, all that good stuff. Akibono, so you're getting good quality.
Now, do we know what is, if you put these on your new Z, is there additional things you need to put on there?
Definitely rotors, but yeah, we haven't got quite that far.
Okay.
Yeah, just wanted to kind of throw it out there. We should compare these to the stock brake calipers.
Let's go do it right now.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Carrying that like a baby. Whose Sentra is that? All right, so let's see here. Stock caliper. All right, hold that up. Kind of
Good gravy.
yeah. It's a big difference. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell because you got a weird perspective. But yeah, massive size difference. That was quick and easy.
Well, as you can see, these 4-pot calipers are quite the upgrade
Yeah.
to the stock setup.
Yeah. So if you're thinking about doing a swap, want to upgrade your car, if you don't have the Nismo, then let's do it. Let's have some fun. Let's go down that rabbit hole.
Make it happen.
We're here to make dreams. And these are actually really well priced. I think these are just over $400 a piece, and these are a little bit less than that. But I was pretty shocked. I was fully
Which
expecting.
is not bad considering what the price of a new stock
Yeah.
caliper is going to cost you.
Yeah, for sure. I was pretty impressed. I looked up the rotors too. The rotors were also priced out just like any other rotor. I think retail full MSRP was like $118 a side.
How do they look? Are they like cross-drilled,
They're the
bended,
same.
all that stuff?
They look like stock.
Oh, really?
rotors.
Just larger.
Yeah. Yep.
Gotcha.
Yep. So yeah, that's all I've got. Am I forgetting anything?
I don't know. Look at your list. I don't.
I
have
got my
anything
list
today.
I'm good. I don't have anything. But yeah, I feel like I'm forgetting something. I rambled all that junk off way too fast.
The only thing I can think of is the sale is ongoing.
Yes.
Take advantage of it. Site-wide, pretty much, like 99% of the website is huge discounts. The other 1% is still significantly lowered from MSRP. But take advantage of it. We don't have an end date on it yet, but at some point it will have to stop because it's just insanity.
Yeah. That's wild. You've been busy though.
I have. It's been good. I enjoy it.
Yeah. Yep. So get in the comments. Tell us what you think about new Z. What should I ride around in 3 days for next time?
What do you think?
I think another Z.
Yeah? You like that Z? We need to get you in a truck. How about
I love
like a
it.
Titan?
I love it. I mean, I'll drive a Titan. I don't have any problem with it, but
Take it out to the woods.
It does nothing
Pro
for me.
4X.
Yeah. I'd rather have a Frontier.
A Frontier? Okay.
A little easier to drive around.
What we should do is make a video where you are driving the Frontier Pro 4X and I'll be in my Pathfinder and we'll just go up into the woods.
We'll just see which, it'll be like a test.
Yeah. See how many bears we can bag.
D41 versus WD21.
The contest is already won, I think.
Probably.
See.